شحال هادي ما درنا الفلوق نمشيو نصورو على برا. يلا نجيكم معايا لواحد الماركيت دايرين فيه حلال فود ماركت. عربك شنو تقرب حتى هي موجوده. سيركل سكوير هذا ماركت. Is it from here?
Which one? Yeah, we have a local honey, yeah. It's from Studley, from England. There we go. Big chunk for you. This is lime honey. So this literally pick up the pollen from lime trees and make this honey. Really good. This one here is Spanish. It's heather, blackberry, and lavender. Come to the dirty one here.
Thank you.
And this one is Bulgarian. Really rich in taste.
What is this one? What flavor?
Bulgarian honey. So it's not flavored. None of them is totally raw.
Oh, it's raw.
Is coriander, acacia, lime, lemon, and many more.
Yeah, and how much is it for like?
So the small jar is a $5, the big one is $8. You save £2. We also do have Yemeni cedar and manuka.
Which one is $5?
This one.
Oh.
This one is $5. When you go for the big one, is £8. You save £2.
Okay.
And then we also do have Yemeni cedar.
How much is the Yemeni cedar?
The small one is 13.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's fine.
Is that 31? Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
The small one is 13. The middle one is 25. You save £1. When you go for 300 grams, it's £35.
Okay. So it's organic as well.
It's raw and organic. And it's very good quality. You see they're different granules with different colors.
Yeah,
many
I
of
see
them,
that.
many pollens from a lot of different plants and trees.
Okay, it's from UK as well.
No, this is from Germany.
Germany.
It's
Okay.
really
So
good.
I like to get some organic honey.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's very rare to get it in the UK. Like, 'cause I normally get it from back home.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I do. I
From
go
where?
Morocco.
السلام عليكم شرفنا اخويا
شرف فيك. بارك الله فيك. الحمد لله بارك الله فيك.
من طنجة مني.
انت طنجاوي؟
إيه.
انا نجربو نورمالمي المغرب نعيط لخويا يصير
من المغرب في الحق الله ما كنتش كنمشي منه علاش ما كنتاخش بيه وما كيصيرش.
لا انا عندي فاميلا هما يديروا.
رد عليك
اما من السوق ما نجيبش. هذاك الشيء هذا بروجي ديالك.
ديالي حبيبي.
ديالك هذا. ما شاء الله. وهذه انت فين كتحط نورمالمون في الماركت ولا كتمشي
الماركت؟ كنمشي لمانشستر، كنمشي لبرمنغهام، من لندن. وكنعمل ويب سايت وكنعمل شوبس. عندي الهول سيل.
ما شاء الله. وصافي انت هذه الكارت ديالك.
بارك الله فيك.
والله
هذه ويب سايت، تقدر تمشي ويب سايت اي وقت
تاخذوا تدير ديليفري
ديليفري وورلد وايد وفي اليو كي ان شاء الله.
بيرفكت. صافي مزيان والله الا مزيان.
كان عندك شي اسئله اي حاجه تكلم معايا.
بارك الله فيك.
قول لي انا
شكرا.
خويا المغربي اللي
السميه ديالك
مروان.
صافي خالد
شرف.
صافي اخا مروان. احنا دبرنا على العسل المغرب.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, this is what I love, man.
مزيان هادشي.
You know, the cures, we go back to this, we go back to the prophetic message.
Thank you.
Sister, you have this one?
Thank you.
Have a lot of privilege with your
Yeah.
hand.
Okay.
Problems, of course, with the help of Allah, permission of Allah. Yeah, I love this guy. Make sure you get down.
Inshallah.
Prophetic blend.
Where are you from? Maghreb.
Yeah, we're doing the rounds of shout-outs.
The concrete jungle to Sahara golden sand.
Palestine. Free Palestine. Gaza. هذا رجع نجي العسل من عند اخونا المغربي مروان. السلام عليكم بابا. How are you? Okay. Right. Most of it from Yemen in the
just this from Yemen, Saudi, Kyrgyzstan, Hungary.
Oh, mashallah. There's another brother over there. شي ما كاينش بزاف ما يدار هنا صغير هادشي.